How to remove a group member from any Outlook group. So hey guys, in this easy and simple tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily remove a group member from any Outlook group. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this People tab over the left hand corner. And once you have clicked onto this People tab, you will be greeted with this particular page. Now from here, simply go to this particular option that says go to groups. So click here and it will list out all the groups that you are currently a part of. So for example, let's say I have this group right here. So simply click onto this members button onto this group option and it will list out all the lists of all the members which are currently a part of this particular group. Now as you can see, currently I am the owner of this group, so this is my account, and I also have this member which is just a regular member. So let me show you how you can remove her or any member. So in order to remove any particular member, you need to hover your cursor over to their name and then you can see this cross mark icon. So simply click onto this cross mark icon in order to remove them from this group. So if I click onto this remove member or cross mark icon button, it will give me a warning that says, are you sure you want to remove the particular address from the group? So in order to proceed, you need to click onto this yes button. And the moment you will do this, it will process and remove the person from the group just like this. And also you can see that the number of members has been also reduced to just one member. So that's how easily you can remove someone from your Outlook group easily. That was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.